How to verify your identity on Prizepicks. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can verify your identity on Prizepicks. In order to verify your identity, first thing first, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service. Now then, to begin with, head over to your web browser and then on the web address bar type in prizepicks.com. Now click the login button in order to log in into your account. Once you click the login button, that's going to direct you to the page where you can enter in your credentials. So make sure to enter in the credential and log in into your account. So in order to verify on Prizepicks, all you have to do is go to your accounts and from there go to the settings icon and go to verify ID or just tap on verify me. Once you do that, you'll be asked to provide in your state government ID or a passport or a license, and then you can begin with the verification procedure. In that way, you can verify your identity on Prizepicks. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If the video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.